everyone to 195 Bank Street. We are making up pizzas here at Bread and Sons. I am joined by Yoav. He is the owner here at the bakery. But it's so much more than a bakery.
What more?
Yeah, you have so many different things besides just bread.
Yeah, we pretty much bake everything here, so it's still a bakery.
Yeah.
And we do have some, like other items like salads and soups, but everything else is baked.
Yeah. Where did your love of baking come from?
I think it's from the love of food.
Yeah.
I like to make food, I like to eat.
Yeah.
So,
my kind of guy.
Yeah, I think to have like a food business, you have to eat, otherwise it's hard to actually make good food.
Absolutely.
So, it's all coming from that.
Right.
And yeah, I'm just trying to make good food, that's it.
So for people who haven't had the opportunity to try Bread and Sons, really, really good if you get the chance. What different types of stuff are on your menu?
Well, we're trying to make everything, but we can't. So we have pastries,
Yeah.
like all morning pastries, like croissants, scones, turnover, stuff like that. We have breads, we have pizza, as you can see.
And some of the pizza flavors are very, very unique. Where did you come up with those ideas?
Over time, we just want to have something new. So we think what can be really, really weird and strange, and we just put it on the menu.
Yeah.
And we also have sandwiches, salads, a lot of lunch items.
Yeah.
And everything we make, everything that we have here, we actually make in here from scratch, from flour, water, and salt.
Why is that important to you to do it that way?
Well, first of all, I wouldn't like to buy food that I sell to elsewhere, and that way I can also control the quality very well. I like to know what's in the food, and we really pay attention to make sure that it's consistent and the highest quality we can get. So that's the only way to do it is we're making food, right? We're not just like a middleman.
Yeah. And why do you think that's part of the reason why you're so popular? I mean, you have a line out the door here for lunch.
I don't know. I do that or just have a nice smile.
Yeah.
But we're working. Everybody here working very, very hard to do that. They're really hard worker.
Yeah.
And we just always quality control every day. We look at everything we make, and if it's not good enough, we don't sell it actually.
Yeah.
Every day we have some items that are just left behind and we don't put out for sale.
Yeah.
And we always look at what we're doing, try to make it better, and
Well, that really does show in your food. Congratulations, what a great place. And I love the open concept. So when you're waiting in line to order your lunch, you can actually see the pizzas being made back here and coming out of the stove. I think I'm gonna have to enjoy a slice of pizza after we're done here.
Yeah, I would say our idea is that you see what you get. What you see is what you get.
Yeah.
There's no hidden concepts here or something so. We like the customer to see how we make the food, what we make it from, how clean it is, everything.
Yeah. Thank you so much for chatting with us today. Great place. Head to their website and check out their menu and more information. Bread and Sons here at 195 Bank Street.